Here is my routes. Event items by ID. ID is 6. This ID matches here, and my using this ID I'm going to get event items like this in this these items, event items. So if I change 8, here I'm going to get event item ID using ID even that 8th item. If I delete this event items by ID, if I write just items, event slash items, I'm going to get all my event items here in JSON format. Here in my JSON format. This is the JSON format, I mean like strings only. And event category event slash, what is my class name? Event categories. What is my route? Event controller. Items, get items by ID. Here my route is item slash ID. Event categories. Okay. Event categories. If I write get, now I am going to get event categories. What is my route? Controller event categories. Mhm. Categories. Yeah. Event categories are here. Category ID and category name. 1, 2, 3. I have 7 categories. If I will go with event locations, event locations, here I am going to get event locations. If I want to get event images, I want to change this route is API pick or picks. I don't remember. API controller pick. I mean controller name is pick slash ID. Pick slash 2. It's going to show me the second pick. If I change 5, the image is going to change. If I change 8, the image is going to change. I wrote 4 routes only to get picks by ID and to get event items, all the event items. This is the pictures, images. If I want to get event slash items, this is going to get each item. Here in this image URL, this one is going to get pictures in this event items. This image URL is going to get the Copy here API 7361 API slash pick one. All the items. If I want to get items by ID, I'm giving the number here. I already explained everything, and this is the my Postman routes. If I want to get images, I'm showing again APIs peak slash 15 sporting events. Thank you.